AV Chicago started out as a small audiovisual rental company.
When Andrew and Justin took over the organization, they really put a focus on growing with intentionality of what kind of clients we wanted to work with, what kind of events we wanted to do.
And as we progressed and worked with our clients, we've learned that we can come into their events and think so much more than just about the technology.
We developed more and more of those clients. They started asking us, hey, I know you're AV Chicago, but will you go on the road? And we say, of course.
We continued to see that the same core principles that we had been bringing to the table for years was not dependent on where we were at.
We've known that the name AV Chicago is somewhat limiting, right? It's AV and it's Chicago. It's very specific.
So as we were looking at what was next for us, it really made the most sense for us to continue our expansion with a rebrand to ShowREADY. ShowREADY Productions is an evolution of our ShowREADY core value that our clients have come to know and trust, that we are going to be prepared.
Whether it's a fixed install in a school or a church, or it is bringing technology to live events, ShowREADY is about putting on great events regardless of where we are. It's about the people that really are showing up for your event.
Clients trust the ShowREADY team because when we say, okay, we'll get it done, we get it done.
We are not reinventing who we are at the core. ShowREADY is an evolution of knowing who we are, but also where we're going. We have always been ShowREADY.